Fire danger, cooler temps and showers all on the way. Here's Byron.
Yeah, I got some changes ahead. And we haven't had a freeze here in Albuquerque since February 23rd. So it's been a little stretch since we've had a freeze in the metro. And just so you know, our average final freeze in the spring for Albuquerque at the Sunport officially is April 6th. So we still got some time to get freezes in. The earliest final freeze was back in 2004 on March 6th, and we've had a freeze as late as May 27th back in 1918. A live look outside from the Crest Cam. Quiet conditions out there. Beautiful day for today with those mild temperatures. We've got some gusty wind and fire danger that will be returning for tomorrow. You want to grab your jacket because we do have some cooler temperatures ahead, and Albuquerque could be dipping close to freezing, it looks like, in the next few days. Rain and snow chances returning for some here in New Mexico. Numbers out there right now looking at 61 in Santa Fe, 68 here in Albuquerque, and 70s from TRC into Las Cruces. It's a really pleasant day out there because the wind was a lot lighter for all parts of the state. Still looking at those breezes, 17 miles per hour for Raton and Las Vegas, 18 in Santa Rosa. But tomorrow they get stronger, and we already have fire weather warnings: Raton, Las Vegas, Santa Rosa, and Roswell and Carlsbad. And of course, we've had some fires in the northeastern part of the state already, so you want to avoid anything that would spark a fire for tomorrow. So this cooler and even warm weather to the south for tomorrow will transition to a windy and warm day for your Thursday as the system dives into the Rockies. It's going to bring a slight chance, a few spotty showers to the north, maybe a thunderstorm to the eastern part of the state as well. And then as we go to Friday, that cooler air settles in with a few showers across northern parts of New Mexico. Wind forecast for Albuquerque quiet as we go through the overnight, but notice those winds picking up as we head through tomorrow afternoon into the evening. We can see those gusts up to 40 to 45 miles per hour here in Albuquerque and across New Mexico. A quiet start on the day with those breezes. By lunchtime, we're already seeing those winds gusting to over 30 miles per hour for Gallup and also into Clayton and Las Vegas. And then you see more red and orange on the map for that 5 p.m. rush home or drive home. And I do think that those winds will stay up central and western parts of the state past the drive home into dinner time. Temperatures will be cooling down for tonight. Another chilly one across all parts of the state as you wake up on your Thursday morning. And then for the afternoon, as this front approaches, we'll see, of course, those warmer temperatures and gusty winds across the state along this dry line. And just to the east near the Texas state line, we have a very low threat of a thunderstorm, but it is a sharp drop off, if you will, with that chance of thunderstorms the farther west you go, and the potential of some severe storms in the Texas Panhandle. Could have a storm up across the Four Corners region as well. And maybe if we're lucky, we'll squeeze out some snow showers for the northern mountains of New Mexico into southwest Colorado. Not looking at a lot, but hey, we'll take what we can get. We need that moisture. Farming in the Four Corners, Durango, Chinle, Gallup, Grants. Some scattered rain and snow showers mainly over the higher terrain. Gusty winds tomorrow. Cooler. Look at that high down to 49, lows in the 20s. Friday and Saturday. Southwest New Mexico, we are looking at a quiet night tonight, but gusty winds for tomorrow. Silver City, Lawrenceburg, dimming TRC. And then look at that rain chance go up Sunday into Monday and Tuesday as the storm system begins to impact mainly southern New Mexico. Gusty winds, Ruidoso, that fire threat, Roswell, Carlsbad, and Hobbs tomorrow. And those temperatures come down for the weekend. Some rain chances by next week with that storm chance in the far eastern part of the state later on for tomorrow afternoon into the evening. Strong gusty winds impact weather for Las Vegas the next couple of days, with a cool down working in the northern mountains. You're going to feel those gusty winds, Taos, Espanola, and Red River. Santa Fe 61 with strong winds tomorrow, cooler for your Friday, and then we bump it back up for the weekend with maybe some showers by next week. Right here in the metro, Bernalillo, Rio Rancho, Los Leones, and Belen. Yeah, we're going to have gusty winds tomorrow, 72 degrees, not as pleasant for tomorrow. And then notice those highs cooler, 59 on Friday down to 33, close to freezing. Likely valley temperatures will be in the freezing category. And then you see those temperatures bump back up with a slight chance of showers for next week. But today was great. Nice day out there.
Perfect.
Yeah, I don't think that 59 was there yesterday, was it, Byron?
We had adjusted down.
Yeah, well, no, don't do that.
Updating the temperatures, but yeah, unfortunately it went the way you don't like it. We'll try to work on that.
Phone a friend next time.
Okay. Byron tries, he really does.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I had control, I would change it to 70.